Hello guys. Hi guys, so wala ko na sa inyo. And this time, alauna pa. Atuon na ginamo ang Little Batanes. So, come with us para atuon ang Little Batanes. Hi! Actually, maligo sa ako. Ako ligo. Maligo sa ako. Hi!
So nakaligo na ko, and ambot wala ko'y tingog ta. Pero basta mag-ready na ko. Go, go, go! Tantaran-taran.
So, hello guys. I'm back. So, nag-ilis na ko, as you can see. And then, I'm gonna do my makeup. I'll be doing my makeup. Just for a minute. So I already put some sunscreen. And next is my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use this one. I'm not gonna use anything. So here, and I'm gonna use this one. This is my all-time favorite as well. I bought this one at Miniso. So it has a concealer, blush on, contour, highlighter, or lightener and powder. So I put this one in my here. Pang tatlo ko na to. I have been using this since 2023. Pumunta ako ng Japan. Ito yung ginagamit ko for makeup. And then, sobrang nice na talaga. Never mind that. So for today's video, we'll try to go to the Little Batanes again, here in Iloilo. Hopefully, makaabot na dyan na wala problema because the last time, mga niad to me, like, not just the last time, like, the other day or a few days ago, niad to me dito, and then, wala may gipalad because, yeah, something, nothing bad happens. It's just that, naulanan me, and then, nawala me, and then, when we figure out the other way, na mas duol, mas convenient, but the thing is, wala may kaabot dito kay nabot na itong, like, around 6 p.m. naman dito siya, so around 6 p.m., nabot nga itong isa kalugor sa place na super creepy, like, kanang 100 siya. Ang ilang suga kay blink-blink, ang tulo ka suga, and then way balay. Kasi layo pa ang balay, ubos na din siya ang powder. Medyo layo pa ang balay, so grabe siya ka-creepy for us. And then I don't feel like safe. And then, pag lagpas na mo sa may tulay, galit may ulan, like, ulan dyan siyang ulan na diretsyo. Grabe kabunot ng ulan, dagpo kayo. So, we decide to go back na lang kayo. Kung saan sa diba? And then what if something bad happened to us, diba? So, it's better to be safe, So yes, karon it's 2:13 in the afternoon. Last time, di ba? 4 na manigikan. So this time, hopefully, makaabot ni dito nga safe. Mula kay mga kakulian. And then, ito na dyan ni, finally. Ano ganing? Ano na. So yes. Ano naman yung mag-to-that yung na hindi pa ako at one time. Maybe, tigito na mo day, mag-to-that. Ay, if it is our day, wala yung mga kakulian mo abot. Hindi kami kadaghan nga kakulian nga nag-abot nga day sa biyahe. And it's a good experience. And then, at least man lang, karoon na mabalik na dito, kabalo namin sa way. Hindi namin ignorant, hindi namin mahadlok. Pero chicken na, charis, hindi chicken ka na. Pero kung ano siya ba, di siya sin scary yun na unang mabot na dito. Yes. So, I'm gonna use my lipstick as well. Again, as a blush. So, blend lang na to atong blush on. Blend lang ng blend. Until mag-well-blend na siya. See? And then, after that, we're gonna put, of course, my favorite part is putting a liquid eyeliner, which I've told you already, guys. Na di ko mabulibok eyeliner. Yes. See? You kinda like my eyes. Kung mabutangan na ako siya kung liquid eyeliner. Actually, no. Even if wala pa ko eyeliner, no. I love my eyes already. I have a beautiful eyes. Oy. Suko na sa ng chismosa diha. Kaya di ka dawat, hindi siya guwapa. Joke lang. So, And then, so, mabutang na tag-ilong. Of course, kawatay. Kapit, tas ilong tayo. Tag-ilong. Let's not forget our nose. And, lastly, ang lipstick. Hindi na dapat mawang lipstick. Lagi na siya perme. Ano si Professor?
Kinastorya kung kweni ani ang part.
And that's it. That's how I do my makeup every day. It's a simple one. I don't do much. Because I am already the beauty. So, kung nasa nang chismosa ron, Di ka masukubi. Tapos, powder again. And then, I'm gonna update you guys kung kumusta ang among lakaw karon. Nasad. Hopefully, okay na. Wala na kakulian sa dalan. Wala na mga panghitabo. Makaadto na gini for real. Dili na joke. Okay, last time, din ang gito siya. Ready to siya. Ready mag-abat sa dalan. And this time, we're gonna try again. So, I'll be back. I'm gonna do my hair. Kasi hindi pa siya tapos. Bye, guys. So, here's the final look. My hair. Everything. So, bye, guys. I'm gonna update you.
Biyahe na! And we decided na mopalit og coffee sa 7-Eleven kay Duka! Now entering Gimbal! Arrived in Miagao! At Miagao Church for the second time!
Ooh. our destination. So, naanata diri karon sa Buklod, ang Little Batanes here in Iloilo. Look at the view. So pretty, di ba? So,
Buyers Camaria, like and share!